You're all right?
Yes.
Okay. Look, Hasy. Germs. Oh my God. What?
I have flu.
Your flu?
Yeah.
Oh no! Germs! Oh, Hasy, what are you doing? Why are you coughing at me? Oh, look! Germs! Germs! Oh my god! Don't cough at me! Oh no!
What happened, Dad?
I'm not feeling good. I'm feeling sick. Can you please call Dr. Hany?
Okay. Hello, Dr. Hany.
Hello, I'm Dr. Hany. What happened?
My dad doesn't feel good. Can we come to your clinic?
Okay, come to my clinic.
What time?
You have to come 8 o'clock.
Bye. Here you go, Dad, your phone. Now let's go to Hany Doctor Clinic.
Dr. Hany Clinic?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, Dr. Hany. My dad doesn't feel good.
Yes, I will check him.
Can you help him?
Hasy, what happened in your home? Show me with your mobile. Here's your dad mobile.
Thank you.
Come sit and I will check you.
Okay.
First I need to check your ears. Let me check your ears.
Okay.
Now you need this.
Okay, I need this.
Little bit is hurt. Okay, let me need to check.
Oh.
Okay, now let's put this. I'll check your X-ray.
Oh my god, check in there.
It's a little bit fixed. I'll check your heartbeat.
Okay.
Okay, let's check your heartbeat. Your heart is feeling better.
Yes, my heart is feeling better.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is done and now I need your injection.
You need to give me an injection?
Yeah.
No.
I need your injection in the nose.
In my nose?
Yeah.
No. I am very scared. Don't give me injection.
This much I'll do it.
This much? Okay.
Not this much, this much.
Okay, give me injection here.
But the nose, because your nose are red.
Oh!
Wait,
It's so painful.
I need one more.
One more?
No, on your cheeks.
Oh! You give me injection on my cheek.
I'll give you in your eye. I take a heart. Yes.
Okay.
Did you kill your baby?
Yes.
Correct. Did you charge your mobile?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Did you take a bandage?
Yes.
No?
Yeah. No.
No. Did you brush your teeth before coming to Dr. Hany?
Yes, I brush my teeth.
Correct. Do I take this? Yes.
Yes, very nice. Thank you, Dr. Hany.
Hasy, you can also come. Your dad is saying because you are not covering your mouth and you are sneezing.
Yes, Hasy. Dr. Hany is right.
Your dad is sick because you are not covering your mouth by sneezing.
Oh, I see. Can you please tell me how to do the right way to sneeze?
Always cover your mouth like this.
Okay. Always cover our mouth like this.
Yeah. So
Okay.
your dad cannot get sick.
Okay, so we will not get sick. Yes, Hasy, she is right. She is saying,
But first, once you go to your home, you always have to clean your hands.
we have to clean our hands also.
There are germs.
Because there are germs in our hand. Yes, see, she is right. She is saying we have to cover our mouth when we sneeze. Very nice.
Yeah.
Hany, can you please tell us how to sneeze? What is the right way to sneeze?
The right way to sneeze is like this.
Okay, so we have to cover our mouth.
Yeah.
Like that.
If you cover your mouth with your hands, always wash your hands. You can also do like this and like this.
Okay.
She is right.
To cover your mouth like this, you have to wash your hands. And always use the soap. Okay, it's done.
If you liked our video,
Please subscribe our channel. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. And subscribe. Guys, here's my nurse. She tells me what customer need, and then I listen to her and I take everything. Show me hop gumbo style.
2, 1.
Hasy, your dad is sick because you are not covering your mouth. Cool.
2, 1.
Yes, Hasy. Dr. Hany is right. Yes, Hasy.
1.
Okay, ठीक है. What is this? What is this?
Gundam style. Gundam style. Two. Gundam style. Two.
One.
What happened to your mobile? What happened to your home? Can I see your channel?
Here you go, Dad.
Thank you.
Now let's go to Hello, Doctor. I said hello, Dr. Hany. Hi, Dr. Hany. My dad doesn't feel good because I sneezed on him and now he don't feel good. Then he said, I want you to sneeze more on me. I also want you to cough on me. Then,
Okay.
give me your phone.
Okay, take it my phone.
Pella ciao, Pella ciao, Pella ciao, ciao, ciao. Ferte jano. Hany, our Dr. Hany, my dad is sick.
Yes, he is.
2, 1.
We have to cover our mouth.
Not much stuffings. She's name is not much stuffings. She's not Dr. Hany. She's an imposter. She did not fix you.
Oh.
Sonny, I got it. Here your mobile. Here is your dad mobile. Hasy,
safe.
1.